topic of this chapter is public relation. The whole unit will be complete with this. Now, who is our public? Our customers, suppliers, employees, intermediaries. Intermediaries means the middlemen, the wholesaler, the retailer, all these comes under intermediaries. The shareholder, all these are our public. All these are our public, and we want to have good relations with them. If we are having some customers, we should have good relation with the customers. We should have good relation with the suppliers. We should have good relation with our employees, with our wholesaler, retailer, and shareholders. If we want to make good relation with all these, this is called public relation. We want to make good relations with all these individuals, so this is called public relation. So how we will create public relation? What are the tools of having good public relations? First, news. You can spread positive news, good news about yourself. You can come into the news with something that this company is doing some good work, they are providing some good. So for your organization, you can have a positive image by giving good news about the company to the public. Then you can arrange some events like some religious event, some social events you can organize. Okay. In the form of event, company time to time organize press conferences and opening ceremony of new office, factory, premises and branches. This is a big image building media. They are organizing such type of events in which, due to which they are increasing their image in the eyes of the public. Then printed material builder. If in the newspaper some good article comes for any item that from the editor's viewpoint or some reader's viewpoint, some good material is written about you people in the articles of newspaper, then it is also building your image and building your public relation. Then some speeches on some special occasions you can give to the general public. On the occasions of Independence Day, Republic Day and all, you can give some speeches, good speeches. So public relation department frequently creates occasions when the senior managers addresses the various group of people regarding the progress of the company, and the various group of people include bankers, shareholders, employees and selected customers. So they are having some speeches about the company in front of the public. Then you can also do some public service activities. You can also serve the society. If you will install a water cooler in the summer in the area where there is less supply of water, then it will create your good image. If you are doing this kind of activity, you are providing some extra services. Often the companies attach themselves to some special public services activities. The objective to do this is to create a good image in the public. For example, to take the responsibility of maintaining any park, any religious space or any other public place you want to make you want to take responsibility of maintaining any park or temple or anything, so it will improve your image in the public. In this way you can make your public relations good. So these are the tools. You can use news, you can create events, you can have printed material about your company, you can give speeches, and you can be involved yourself in public service activities. So how is the public relation? If we talk about the features of public relation, basically what we want to do, securing cooperation of the public. We want to secure their cooperation. If what we people are doing, everybody should support the company. We want to build some good relations because we want the support of the employees or everybody, the public. Then successful relation with the public. Why we are doing all these things? We want to have some successful relations with the public. Good relations we want to make with the public. We want to secure the cooperation. We want to make good relations. We want to satisfy different groups. We want to satisfy different groups. We are having different groups split up like supplier, customer, employees, intermediaries, shareholders. We want to satisfy everybody's need by providing them information, and we want to involve ourselves due to a dialogue. If we want to talk somebody, then it will create our image. And in every chapters, one feature is common, which is ongoing activity or a continuous activity. Once you will make the image, again you have to make the image. It will not be created for every time, but you have to give continuous efforts to make your public relation very good. So you have a public like customer, supplier, employees, intermediaries, shareholders. If you want to make good relations with them, how you can make? By coming something good news about the company, good information about the company to the public you are providing. Some events you are organizing, printed material is coming in the newspaper and all. You are giving speeches about the company to everybody. Then you are involving yourself in public service activities. And if you will secure public relation, why you want to make good public relation? Because you want to secure cooperation of each and every group. You want to have successful relations with every group. You want to satisfy their needs. You want to have dialogue, and it's an ongoing process, continuous process. You have to continuously make your relations with public very good.